honestly just flashed.
Blonde looks good. Look at that fresh hair.
Oh my gosh!
Both of us.
Oh, in the video. Hey. Okay. All right, guys.
You can't even see my hair color because you're colorblind.
Yes, I can. She's in a Stage 1 SQ5's ECU TCU tune, only laying down like 400 horsepower. So. Let's go!
Jeez.
This bitch is pulling.
Okay.
See? Nice and mediocre. And then we got the DHD farts.
Okay.
So
that's fine. That's good.
yeah?
That's not the, you know, yeah, that.
This thing is just fucking. I didn't mean to get sound noise like that.